Hello guys, welcome back with a new project and a new video in our video series tutorial for learning PLC programming using ladder logic. So today, my friends, I come with the project for dual compressor for continue what we have done last time. So let me remind you our work in this project. So in this project, we have a requirement to organize the operation for filling the tank and organize this tank based on two compressors to work in dual manner, like one at a time. So first thing we started with working with only one compressor, and then we involve the other compressor to make one of them working at a time, okay, by flipping the cycle. Once one compressor will work for the first cycle, and the next cycle will be the other one, and the next cycle will be changing to the compressor which was in rest to prolonging the time of the equipment. And today we're gonna complete our work with another problem, like if we have many sources or many load that are using this tank. So this tank now is working in what's so called a heavy duty. So in the heavy duty, if this tank like working in a heavy duty, so one compressor might be not be sufficient to fulfill the requirement of all the sources that need gas or air from this tank. So this problem will force us to including the case of having two compressors to working in same time together. So now our mission is to make one of the compressor to work if we are not in the heavy duty, I mean in the normal duty, but if we have a heavy duty, so we'll have both of them working. So now let's starting our project. So very simple here, like we're starting with for sure adding many lines like this, starting with the start button and the stop and the run, okay, and we should like latching this one, okay, to have this one. It's naming the contact. So this contact will be the start bit. So this is the start, and this is the stop, and this is our not compressor. It will be the run, okay, and this run will be latched here. And because I need to run one of those, so each compressor has a LED or a lamp. So it will be here like if I have the one compressor for C1 is on, so I need to energize the indicator lamp for it. Same thing here, very simple. I will put this one for the other compressor if the CO2 compressor is working, so its indicator lamp will be on. And moving to the next section, so now the question, when I will have this one is run, okay, so I will adding the condition for this one to run, okay, and the condition for having it stopped, and this is the one that we have. So for sure, if we have like this run, let's naming everything first to see, like this one is a start, this one is a stop, okay, let's correct the spelling. This one is start, stop, and this one it is a run, okay, and this one for sure it will be C1 compressor, and this one for sure will be C1 lamp, and this one for sure it will be C2 compressor, and its lamp indicator like C2 lamp. Okay, and this one will be like the triggering for this. This is the first compressor, so I will take this one here, and the other rung for the other compressor. So it will be like start for it. Like this one will be for sure. I'm stop it with this one, stop with this one, and run bit will be here to activate the process, and this is a run also to activate the process. Okay, so this run will have this compressor to working on, but now we need to flip between two compressor, so we will have like a stop bit for this one, and it will be the reverse of it because they are same address. So this will be the flip bit, and in this rung, like I need to add another rung. Okay, good. So this one will be like to detect the new cycle each time. So we'll make this one be 3 0 0 and make okay same thing for the output. Okay, so let this flag bit will be B3 0 1, and it will be same here, but let's naming everything again. Yeah, no need for this one. So this one is run, and this one is the sensor B E1. Okay, and this one will be the flag bit. This is will be the flip flag. Okay. So now we also set to have this one like we detected now the okay, we detected now the cycle. So by detecting the cycle, so we'll have like this one and this one. So by having this one will be like this. So and it will be the reverse for the other guy. Be the reverse. Okay. Because if that working with a logic, the other one will working in the different logic. So let it be this one, it is a flag bit that we want to decide, and this flag bit here, and this flag bit in the negative here logic, and this one for sure when detecting cycle. And this is for sure. Up till this moment, I think we completed the requirement for having the work on normal duty. But if we wanted to have the heavy duty, we will detect the heavy duty by this one. So let this one working, for example, from 100, okay, until 20, like until 80. But that guy will working from this one like from 120 to 100, and that guy also working from 100, okay, 20 also. But yes, because we need to stop the system here, but we'll make that guy, if it is reached to I'm sorry, if it is reached to like less than 25%, like it will be like 95. That means, oh, we are in a severe heavy duty, so we will run both compressor together. So So now if I take that guy like here, okay, so let's take that guy, okay, so this rung like now, so no need for this one, so just that guy, like I make it like here. So this guy, like I will call it for sure the BE2 other sensor for the pressure to help me to detect the heavy duty. Okay, and this is the heavy duty, like it will be like B, we reach it to B3, so this is B3 00 and 01 are taken, so this one will be 02. Okay, so I will call this one to be the heavy duty, heavy duty. Okay, so by having this heavy duty here, if I have, what's that? Okay, no need for this, that guy. Okay, so that guy is the detector for the flip, I think. For not confusing, let be, yeah, this is that guy showing new cycle. Okay, so by having this a new cycle, this is a new cycle. So by having this new cycle here, we decided the flag to change the operation based on changing the compressor. And here we detecting the heavy cycle duty. So we need here to make sure that guy. So that guy will make this flag to be changing, as you can see. And this is the flag here and there to make this one to work. And if in the opposite the next cycle this one will work, so we need just to make a parallel here to make another way to let that guy working, and same thing for that guy, we need to have a parallel one here to make that guy working. So now I will add if a heavy duty, so no chance to stop any of them. And same thing here for that guy, if it is a heavy duty, so I need both compressors to working in heavy duty condition. Okay, so I hope it's working, guys. So let's see what's going on, so and see if everything is okay or we need to changing the logic again. So now start. Oh, so no start. Why not start? Because we lose the limit. Okay, oh, this is our start, right? Yeah, so our start is here. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I make a mistake. So this is normally closed, so we need it like this. So starting the process again, download, starting the process again by start. So now, as you can see here, because we are below the 95, so system detected this is a heavy duty. That's why both of them are working now. And once we're reaching to the 120, it will stop and see what's going on. So let's see, we might like make the acceleration, so we might make the flow like this. So acceleration 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 90. What will happen? So continue with both of them, and it should stop at 120. Yeah, that's it. So cycle is stopped, and now people using the tank, and because we're not under the limit, which is 100, so no of them is working. So let's increasing the flow. and see what's happening when we're reaching to 100. It's supposed to have that guy work or that guy work and flip between each other. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 100. Here we go. So now we have one compressor working and will increasing until it reaching to 100 again. Okay, to accelerate the process. When it reaching to 100 again, it will stop. See guys, I know you're enjoying, but actually because you're my friends, so I need you to stop every time in this you're watching this video, so you can stop the cycle and stop the coding and writing the code yourself and testing yourself to make sure you take the full usage of this video. So now that guy was working, so it should flip to the other guy next time. Let's increasing the flow to make the process faster and saving the time. So when it reaching to 100 again, that switch, pressure switch, will flip the cycle again, and the new cycle, this one should working. Hope it's working fine. Now that guy is working. So our logic 100% is okay, but let's increasing the flow like this. Okay, and you can see that guy goes down. But let's see when that guy reached down to 95 according to the calculation. So the system detects a heavy duty. So now both of them working together. Amazing, my friends, until reaching to 120. At that time, it will stop and the cycle come back with one of compressor, one of both compressor. So now, guys, as you can see, we completed our project, and next time we'll go with a totally different project. So thank you for watching and have a good day.